Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are keeping well at home and enjoying e-learning. My today's video is about English online quiz. I have divided my video in two different parts. In the first part, I will discuss about the basic details of English online quiz, and in the second part, we will revise the literature section of online quiz. So let's start with our part 1, that is the basic details of the quiz. What is the date of online quiz? Yes, that's right. That is tomorrow, 28th May 2020. And what is the timing of the quiz? That is 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It is an online portal. The name of the portal is CIST e-learning grade 9. I have also provided you with the web address of this page. Are you aware of the syllabus? If no, then I am going to repeat it for you. The online quiz is divided in 3 different segments. The first one is reading section. In this, a reading passage, a comprehension passage would be provided to you. On the basis of that, certain questions are given. You have to read the passage and answer the given questions in the section A. Then the second section is grammar section. In this, we have provided you with integrated grammar exercise. This time it would only be on the basis of MCQ. The third part is the literature part, and the chapter which we have planned for this quiz is chapter number 1 of your book, Beehive. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Let us quickly go through the details of the quiz. First of all, the maximum marks. This quiz carries 20 marks. There are 3 sections in this. Section A is for reading. It is reading comprehension passage. There are 6 questions in this. Each question carries 1 mark. In total, 6 marks. Section B is your grammar section. In total, there are 6 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. In total, 6 marks. Finally, we come to section C, that is literature section. As we have planned only 1 chapter of our English literature, Beehive, we have 8 questions in this. Each question carries 1 mark, and in total section C carries 8 marks. 6 plus 6 plus 8 is equals to 20 marks. I hope you are able to understand the basic structure of online quiz. Now we can continue with our revision section. So, as planned, we have our chapter 1 of English literature book Beehive. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Do you remember the chapter or not? I have some main points of the chapter which you need to remember. How many characters are there in this chapter? There are 2 main characters in this chapter. The name of those 2 characters are Margie and Tommy, and their age is 11 years and 13 years respectively, and they are students of future schools. This story is set in the year 2157. Tommy finds an old book about school in the attic. They turn yellow, crinkly pages of the book and are surprised to see still words. Still words means the words which don't move in the book. They were used to only moving words of Telebook. Why were they surprised? Because the books that they are reading are telebooks on the computer screen, and in computer the words move from top to bottom, left to right. So the physical book, the books we have in today's age, their words do not move. So they were surprised to see such kind of books. They thought it to be wastage of resources, as it was to be thrown after reading once only, whereas Telebook lasts longer and contain many books together. These were the thoughts of Tommy. Margie hated school as her teacher, who was a computer, gave her test after, and she performed badly in geography. She hated the slot for putting homework and test papers. So this was the main reason why Margie hated schools. Margie's mother called county inspector. Who is a county inspector? Do you remember? He is a mechanic or a technician, right? Who came with all his equipment and repaired it in an hour. Margie wasn't happy, as she thought he would take the teacher for a few days for repair work and she would have off from school. So this was the main reason why she was upset even after the repair of the computer. County inspector told her mother that Margie's bad performance in geography was due to faulty setting of her teacher. It was not Margie's fault. So he has slowed down the pace of the geography session. As Margie hated school, she thought, why would anyone write about school? Tommy explained that centuries ago, the school were not like theirs. They had a man as a teacher who taught students different subjects. asked questions, and gave homework as well. Margie couldn't believe man to be smart enough to have knowledge about different subjects. So she was surprised. How is it possible that a man can be smart enough to teach all the concepts so easily? Tommy told her that the school was in a special building and students would go there, and children of same age group studied same things, like we study the same concept in a particular class. You are in grade 9, so you are learning the same concepts, whether it is in English, whether is it in your mathematics, science, social science, anywhere. But Margie's mother had told her that every child has to be taught according to individual needs, and children studied together in old schools. Now, Margie was interested in reading about those old funny schools, but mother called her to attend the school next to her bedroom. Tommy and Margie attended school and at a fixed time from Monday to Friday. While submitting homework to her teacher, she thought about the old schools where kids had a lot of fun studying together and playing, helping each other in studies, sharing, caring for each other. Computer screen of her teacher was flashing new chapter in arithmetic on the addition of proper fraction, but Margie was lost in the thoughts of old school. So this was the summary of your chapter. I hope you remember each and every point of this. Now let us discuss about what we have done in our worksheets. Let us now move to our next segment, that is revision of question and answers. My first question is, what kind of qualities do you think the online schools of future will have? Although you were free to give your inputs as per your understanding and your imagination, but still I have provided you with some of the hints. My second question was, why Margie doesn't like her school? Explain it. You can pause the video and read the answers now. Moving on to question number 3. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Question number 4. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Once again, you can pause the video and read the answers given below. Question number 5. What did he do? He in this question refers to the county inspector. You have to talk about the job profile of a county inspector. Question number 6. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? I gave you two questions on the basis of reference to the context. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? What does it refer to? What is it being compared with by the speaker? My second question is, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Now questions. Who does they refer to? What does regular mean here? What is it contrasted with? Next question is, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Next, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Next, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? Then I gave you two of the value-based questions. The first question was, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been more fun than the school of her age? In value-based questions, you have to take care of two things. The first one, divide your content in multiple paragraphs. Number second, you can give your own ideas in this, whatever you feel like in that question. The second value-based question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? You can always write these answers in about 100 to 120 words. Let me give you a few more questions. How old are Margie and Tommy? Second question, what did Margie write in her diary? Third, had Margie ever seen a book before? 4. What things about the book did she find strange? 5. What do you think a telebook is? 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Number 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? 8. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Do you think both of them were happy with such kind of teachers? What do you understand by the term county inspector? What is their role in students' life? Number 10. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? How did the county inspector help her? 11. Who do you think is more fascinated with the old type of schools, Margie or Tommy? Give reason to support your answer. This you have to write in about 100 to 120 words. This is value-based question. Number 12 is again a value-based question. If you are given chance, which type of education system would you like to avail and why? So you have to give reasons for this and forget to write your answer in multiple paragraphs. Okay? So this was the end of our revision lesson. I hope you were able to understand all the concepts of the quiz which we are going to conduct tomorrow. If still there is any doubt, any problem, don't worry. You are free to call me at any point of time. I am always there to help you. I wish you all the very best for your quiz. Thank you. Have a great day.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space.